world is getting louder by the minute. Jackhammers, airplanes, sirens, concerts, and highways all contribute to noise pollution. Noise pollution could be the next great public health crisis. Luckily, there's an entire field of engineering dedicated to combating sound pollution: acoustical engineering. An acoustical engineer specializes in the science of sound and vibration. In addition to using sound to their advantage, such as in ultrasound or optimizing the design of a concert hall, acoustical engineers can also specialize in noise control. Sound is measured in decibels. Noise above 70 dB over a prolonged period of time may start to damage your hearing. That level is more common than you may think. For example, the noise of city traffic from inside your car can reach up to 85 dB. This is why the field of engineering is so important to our health and well-being. One option for noise control is interrupting the noise as it travels from the source to someone's ear. This can be done by installing acoustical insulation that's engineered for specific frequency ranges on ceilings and walls. This works best for high-frequency sounds. Other types of sound absorbers include sound baffles, quilted fiberglass blankets, and outdoor sound curtains. One of the most effective means of reducing lower frequency noise is installing rubber paddings to the base of a machine, thus preventing vibration. Engineers may combat noise by enclosing the source of the disturbance itself. This can be especially helpful with HVAC systems that benefit from duct silencers. Urban planning can also contribute to combating noise pollution. Some examples include depressing highways below residential areas, using roadside noise barriers, and erecting high-rise buildings at the front of a development, thereby providing acoustic shielding for any low-rise buildings behind them. In terms of architecture, noise inside a building can be reduced if both the external and internal walls have high sound reduction. Dense brick walls are great for sound reduction. But there are also lightweight solutions, such as layers of plasterboard made with sound control material. In terms of windows, double glazing and laminated glass are particularly effective for sealing out noise. It's important to note that the noise that we produce doesn't just harm us. Noise pollution also impacts the health and well-being of wildlife. Marine and terrestrial animals, especially those that use echolocation, are particularly affected. The low frequency produced by the engines in shipping vessels matches that of several marine animals and can lead to hearing loss, stress, difficulty navigating, and even death. Right whales, an endangered species living in the North Atlantic, can no longer hear each other as much as 80% of the time. Engineers are working to create the technology for quieter ships. In Washington, for example, ferries are now using quieter propellers. Vessels can also be made quieter by elevating engines off the ship floor. We have a long way to go when it comes to seeking out silence. A quieter world will benefit our ears, our environment, and our seas. Until then, be sure to keep some earplugs in your pocket. You never know when you'll need them.